This is not good video.
It is good video. You could leave that on. Good morning.
Oh my God, I got puffy eyes.
You made me coffee. Eat present. Which I think I know what it is, which is funny because one of my kids, well, asked for it for Christmas, and I'm like, oh, I could use one of those. So I told Bill about it, and then now I'm gonna get it before them. I don't know if I should show it on camera or not.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Give us the close.
My head doesn't need to look any bigger than it is. Why didn't you give me this the other day when I needed it?
It wasn't your birthday.
Oh, my purse strap busted the other day, and I've been trying to figure out what to do, and he's like, oh, go buy yourself a purse. It's a clear purse to get into the games with, because I was going to go to all these Bengals games.
Oh, we got U of L games and
Yeah, I'll go to all these U of L games. Yay! Thank you. Well, we've overstuffed our bags. We had to wear our hats. Bill's so happy. We look so cute. All this construction we have heard since like, I feel like 7 a.m. or something crazy. Our little cute black car. This is the little place called Go Juice. It's got a little hammock back there. It's just a little hut. I'm getting an acai bowl. That's hilarious.
yeah, in the middle.
Here's my bowl. Look how cute this little place is. We could sit back there in the Aaron Dock chairs, but I'm gonna sit on this. This is my first acai bowl. My kids get them all the time, but I never do. And that was just a big chunk of peanut butter.
Oh, is that that's what their little ball thing is made up, I think.
Oh. This is so amazing. Like every carb that I love that I can't have. There's blueberries, strawberries, bananas.
Coconut shavings, is that what's on top?
Can't get anywhere.
What's underneath of it?
The acai mixture. It's like a smoothie on the bottom. I can't get down to it.
Your kids would be jealous.
I know. That was good. You want to try? All right, we traded in our few dollars that we got from the other day. Got a few more for tonight's 800 million, or tomorrow night's 800 million. It's tomorrow night, 800 million. We are back in St. Augustine at the fort, which Bill went through as a kid, so I told him he's good. He didn't need to go through it again. There it is. We're heading to the Fountain of Youth and an old cemetery that I want to see because it's got pyramids or something in it. These are great hedges. And David! So this is only one of 2 exact replicas of David, and it is made to the exact specifications of David, and it is made from one piece of rock from the same quarry. So essentially you're looking at David. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, see, it looks pretty. Oh look, there's a statue.
Yeah, there's a woman.
Water. They have the 1587 Mission Church Discovery.
Yeah.
Portable jail car. It was built in the early 1900s to haul convicts back and forth for chain gang work sites. In those days, they didn't return to. That's the old Kubo line, the northern defense wall from St. Augustine. And it met up with another wall, a block over to the right, called the Rosario line. Please remain seated, everyone, until the trolley comes to a complete stop and you hear the bell. And always
is
exit
the
backwards
oldest
as if stepping
cemetery.
off a ladder.
Oldest
This is gonna
Catholic
be stop
cemetery
number
and
3.
supposedly
Motors
very
Wax
haunted.
Museum and the old drugstore just ahead on the right.
Well, we
is the
got out of
Colonial
the trolley
Experience.
right when the
2
rain
acres
started.
of living history where you can climb this 35-foot watchtower. You'll see a blacksmith performing his wares to that beautiful church. It's installed by the Edison Company, and those generators missed it. That building is far more beautiful inside.
Here's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Oh, we might be able to find something fun in here.
I also would probably like this place.
This is the Prohibition Kitchen. It's a very cool old building, old like restaurant. Bourbon peach popsicle from Hippo that you have to be 21 to buy because there is so much bourbon in them and it's not cooked out. Am I gonna hate it?
Sour mix.
Oh, okay.
Exactly what it tastes like.
Crap, that's good.
Or whiskey sour. Or whiskey,
Yes, yeah.
Like that.
That is so good.
It is really good.
This is the National Cemetery by St. Francis's Barracks, and I love that they have little pyramids here. It's really cool. I thought they were cool. Oh, quality
Those
video.
look just like those lions
For 32
we
miles,
saw, and I think
continue
they're probably
straight.
designed on those lions we saw at the British Museum.
Those lions are cut from the same mold that the David statue was cut from too. Just a FYI. Yeah, we didn't go across this. I would remember this. That's what I was trying to video.
Oh, I see the deck. Yeah.
Golden Lion, directly across from the beach. This is another place that we were recommended to come eat. Apparently it's got the best fish and chips ever. So we're gonna try it out. Did you get it?
I think so. I don't know. I can't tell. Oh, you're just going straight to the middle. That's not right.
Did you see that?
I see that.
Do you see the soup in there?
I see the soup. Who goes straight to the middle?
Vicky.
Happy birthday to Amy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, you're dancing.
That was really good. It may have too much cream cheese on it.
I don't know that that's possible.
I don't know. I'm gonna give
So
some
you think it was better with the warm or no?
Yeah, I think it'd be good both ways. At the airport, we have no space for our hats, so we've got to wear them. We stopped at a Buc-ee's. I had shorts on. I put 2 pair of pants on and a dress. And I have a shirt and a sweater. I had to switch to my bigger shoes and wear my hat. And I still don't have my bag zipped, so I'm gonna have to go sit inside for a minute and get some work to get everything contained to be on the plane. I can do it. I have faith.